have you learned from Wedcon, from all the speakers? What kind of pointers are you going to take away from today?
Oh goodness, so many. It's been so valuable.
Yeah.
So many inspirational speakers, so much knowledge. It would be silly not to use that in my own business.
As a planner, I want to be in spaces like this because this is all people that are investing in their business, people that are serious about the industry. But I didn't think I'd get so much for myself in my own business today. So yeah, it's been really amazing.
The coaching that they've given has been absolutely superb, plus that added support that they give as time goes on.
I think if you're starting, if you're on the journey, if you feel like you're failing, if you're scaling, I think it's just a really useful place to be.
And if someone was on the fence about coming to Wedcon, what would you say?
Why are you on the fence? You know what, just be there, definitely. Take the plunge because you're going to learn so much, connect with like-minded people. There's amazing keynote speakers, everyone's so supportive, and you're actually going to go away with so much more insight and awareness of steps that you can take in your business.
I'll definitely be returning next year, already booked.